Definition of quiet rent. Quiet rent is a rent that levied on owner of agricultural land, corporate land, and land with buildings. This tax is interpreted as lease under Section 5 of National Land Code 1945. This rent is collecting by State Land Authority, which is also known as State Land Office.
Okay, as for the next slide, we have the formula quitrent. Quitrent rate is fixed by the state government based on location, size, and type of land. The amount of tax payable each year depends on the quitrent rate per unit area on the total land area owned. Okay, so the formula was quitrent equals to quitrent rate per unit times with total land area.
Okay, next I'm going to talk about consequence of tax evasion. The first of all, consequence of tax evasion that have a street that is tax evasion, action and legal act. So first of all, the tax evasion is does not pay quit rent within the designated period is the action of notice of claim in Form 6A will be issued. And if you didn't pay the quit rent within the design period, the National Land Code 1965 Section 97 uh, will get the legal act in it. Next of all, does not pay quit rent within the stated period in the notice of claim. The action is the land can be seized and the National Land Code 1965 Section 100 will be legal acted. Okay, okay, now I'm going to talk about the example of quit rent. So, Mr. Amin owns a house with an area of 130 meters square. It is given that the quit rent rate levied is Rm 0 ringgit point 43 per square meter. Calculate the quit rent payable by Mr. Hamid each year. So, now we're going to find about the uh, solution of the quit rent. So, as you can see, as my beloved friend Silo just now said that the formula of quitrent, that is quitrent rate per unit area times by total land area. So the quitrent rate per unit area is the RM 0.43 per square meter because as you can see, that is the you can see the question that is given that the rent rate levied is RM 0.43 per square meter. So in the formula it says that quit rent rate per unit area. So the quit rent uh, rate per unit area is the RM 0.43 per square meter. So now times by total land area. So the total land area is the 130 meter square. In the formula it's only set total land area. So we must only write the 130 only. We shouldn't write the meter square. If we write the meter square, we didn't get the answers properly. So we already get the quotient of the formula and the total. So if we times by 0.43 times by 130, we will get the answer 55.90 each year. Thank you.
Now, what happens if you don't pay quitrent to the government? You have a legal obligation to pay your quitrent, parcel rent, and assessment rates. That means if you fail to pay, you are likely to receive a financial penalty. First, a notice for payment will be issued. A penalty charge on arrears is likely to imposed if you fail to pay. So better pay it before the timeline.
Example questions. Asman owns a piece of land with an area 6.7 meter times 22.9 meter. Where his house is built, the state government has fixed the quiet rent rate as around 40 cents per square meter. Calculate the quiet rent payable by Asman each year. Explanation. To calculate the quiet rent payable by Aswan each year, you first need to find the total area of the land. Then you multiply this by the quiet rent rate set by the state government. Answer. The total area of the land is 6.7 times 22.9 equals to 158.83. Now multiply this by quiet rent rate. 153.83 times with Rm 40 cent equals to Rm 61 ringgit 53 cents. This is the amount that should be paid by Asman.